Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to turn on ChatGPT for Siri on your iPhone in iOS 18.2 and later. Let's get into the method. You'll need Apple Intelligence enabled to access this feature. First, open the Settings app, and then scroll down and choose Apple Intelligence and Siri from the list. Within here, tap on the ChatGPT option in the Extensions area, and then you can either tap on Setup or use the toggle switch at the top to turn on this feature. If you're setting up for the first time, there will be a few pages to go through first. Click on Next, then enable ChatGPT to turn it on. You can now test it out with Siri, and you may need to confirm to use it if you get this pop-up. Back in the settings, you can customize related settings below, and you might want to sign in if you already have an account as well. That's how to turn on ChatGPT for Siri on your iPhone in iOS 18.2 and later. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your iPhone or iPad. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.